Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 10 coolest vehicles that can truly blow your mind, from futuristic hypercars to insane concept machines that push the limits of design, performance, and innovation. Stick around till the end, because number 1 will leave you speechless. 1 Tesla Cybertruck, $60,990. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a pickup, it's a sci-fi beast on wheels. With a stainless steel exoskeleton, armored glass, and up to 500 miles of range, it redefines what a truck can be. Its angular design makes it look straight out of a video game. 2 Aptera Solar EV, $25,900. A car that never needs charging? That's Aptera's solar-powered 3-wheeler. With aerodynamic design and up to 40 miles a day powered only by the sun, this EV could completely change how we think about transportation. 3 Rimac Nevera, $2.2 million. The Rimac Nevera is one of the fastest electric hypercars in the world. It hits 0 to 60 in just 1.74 seconds and produces an incredible 1,914 horsepower. This Croatian masterpiece blends insane speed with futuristic technology. 4 Mercedes Vision AVTR, concept, priceless. Inspired by the movie Avatar, this concept car from Mercedes-Benz looks like it came from another planet. With biometric controls, organic flowing design, and wheels that let it move sideways like a crab, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. 5 Devel Sixteen, $1.8 million. Built in Dubai, the Devel Sixteen is a hypercar with jaw-dropping specs, a V16 engine producing up to 5,000 horsepower. Yes, 5,000. It's aiming to be one of the fastest cars ever made, with speeds rumored to cross 350 miles per hour. 6 PAL V Liberty Flying Car, $399,000. Yes, the flying car is finally here. The PAL V Liberty is part car, part gyrocopter. You can drive it on the road, then take off and fly up to 11,000 feet in the sky. Truly a dream come true for sci-fi fans. 7 Canoe Lifestyle Vehicle, $39,950. The Canoe looks like a futuristic shuttle pod. With its unique design, minimalist interior, and maximum cabin space, it's built for urban explorers. Think of it as a Tesla van but with even cooler vibes. 8 Hennessy Venom F5, $3 million. America's answer to hypercars, the Venom F5 is designed to break the 300 miles per hour barrier. With a twin-turbo V8 producing 1,817 horsepower, it's pure adrenaline on wheels. 9 Lightyear Zero, $250,000. Another solar-powered car, but this one is sleek, futuristic, and already road-ready. Lightyear Zero can gain up to 43 miles of range a day from solar panels alone, making it the most efficient EV ever built. 10 Toyota LQ Concept, priceless. Toyota's LQ is an AI-powered concept that can actually bond with its driver. Featuring autonomous driving, emotional AI interaction, and futuristic styling, it's not just a car, it's a smart companion on the road. And there you have it, 10 of the coolest vehicles that can absolutely blow your mind. From flying cars to solar EVs and hypercars faster than rockets, the future of mobility is more exciting than ever. Which one would you want in your garage? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing vehicles, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments which of these futuristic rides blew your mind the most.